And I think that's the thing that often gets overlooked, is that every person is on the journey.
Yeah.
And we're on different parts of it, but we're all doing that journey together. And the fun for us, and for me, it's expansive fun, is where we each are right now. You know, because where I am right now is so exciting for me. You know, and somebody else might look and think, oh, I've been there. But we can't diminish, I can't diminish what's fun for me, and this is my journey, and this is the exciting part. And every day it gets more and more exciting.
Yes, and that what you're speaking into, not diminishing, is very, very important, because nothing is better or worse. Nothing is higher or lower. We're talking about ascension, but it's not that we're climbing a ladder to get somewhere and I'm further up than you and you're further up than me. It's just like, that's not unity consciousness, right? And what it actually is, the true essence of who we are. If we can recognize the divine being in me and the divine being in you, and we can feel that, because when we start going into this, what we start feeling is the connection to everything, because we are all pure source consciousness. And it is really more than important just right now in these times is to really come back to our truth, which is not speaking about, hey, this is true for me and what you're saying is not true. It is the truth of who we are, and we're all one. And when we really start embodying that and feeling that, we are experiencing unity consciousness. And when we experience the oneness and the unity and all that is, or as my guides call it, you are a drop in the ocean and the ocean itself. So we cannot judge anybody because we're judging ourselves. And the whole divide that is happening in particular now on our planet, I believe the way that we can shift this is through embodying that consciousness of who we are, which is oneness.